Now that we have banner for our site, we can now start putting some more content. Let's try to put an about section. To do that, let's first add sections for the about section and our spacer. The spacer will create a gap between banner section and about section, and that will give us a clean look on our site. Now, let's click on add icon, drag and drop a spacer. That's that. On our about section, let's click on add icon, drag the image widget, then let's edit. Say pull for image size, alignment as center, then add an image. Let's click on this one and insert it. Then select style, then let's style it. Let's adjust the width. Look, you can do a lot of adjustment here, so go ahead and try them when you can. Now, let's go to advanced option. Let's adjust the margin. Actually, let's put some comic animation to it. Let's put hover over animation as wobble horizontal. Cool. Now, let's put some headings. First, let's put intersection so it's easy for us to copy it and use it for other section. We only need one, so let's delete the other one. Then put a headings. This time, let's set a big font and say about. Now, let's style it. Let's put a color to it. Then let's edit its typography. Adjust the size again. And for the family font, let's say Rubik Mono 1. Then let's apply some letter spacing. And then let's adjust the opacity of the color to more lighter. I'm happy with that. Now let's add another heading. Let's call it about. Let's adjust the size and type. Then let's style it. Let's set the color to light maroon. Actually, let's save a new global color. Let's call it subheader 2. So it's easy for us to locate this color. Then, the family font will be Roxel. That sounds cool. Now, let's position them with a bit of trick. Let's use the overlapping effect for our header. To do that, let's adjust the margin of the subheadings. First, let's adjust them all together to -76, then unlink them. Now let's adjust only the left to 93, then the top to -83. And don't forget to click on update. Now, let's preview our site. Awesome. Now, let's put some text in about us section. For now, let's use the sample text just to see how it will look like. Let's copy and paste that. Okay, now let's preview it. That's that. Now let's put some more content. Again, inner section. Now let's put some table. Say your availability. Okay, on our table, I will show you how to edit it. Here we have 4 columns and rows with headings in it by default. To edit the header, simply click on it and change column name. And for the content, same procedure. Click on it and change the cell text. Now let's add new row and column, say for additional period. That's that. Now, let's try put some style on it. Say we want to change the color of our header to white. That's that. And our background color to gray. And that's that. Now, I save a template for our table and say I want to use it. To do that, let's simply click on this folder icon, My Templates, and then insert it. Now let's drag and drop it in our About section. Let's refresh it. Cool. Now, let's quickly put some headings in it, update it, and refresh it. That's that. Hey! Alam ko sobrang daming information there, but no problem. When playing the toots, you can always adjust the settings of playback speed. For example, let's play one of my video. So if I hover over here, then click on the gear icon right here, we will get these options where we can change the playback speed, subtitles, and the quality of the video. Say you want to slow down the playback speed, just click on the playback speed and change it to your preference. Say I want 0.25, there. And also, at the same time, I want to read the instruction. So, let's go back to the settings section and click on subtitles and change it to English auto-generate. And mute the speaker to avoid unwanted sound. Then, if you want to put it back to normal, just go back to the settings, playback, and select normal. You can also adjust it to faster pace, depends on where you are comfortable learning. Let's say you want to adjust the quality of the video. Just go back to the settings, quality, and click on your peak. That's that. I hope this has been informative to you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Paalam!